Hey y'all, welcome back to Sunday Potluck. I'm going to be making a recipe out of the 3rd edition of the O Taste and See cookbook. And for those of y'all that don't know, I'm cooking through all 3 of our church's cookbooks from 20 plus years ago till we just got the new one this year. So I'm going to be making cinnamon sugar pecans. However, I don't really like pecans, so I'm going to be making cinnamon sugar almonds. So let's see what we're doing. So this is a treat that I love to get when we go to the Sight and Sound Theater in Branson. Uh-oh. Mary Ann's down here helping me a little bit too. But so I love making these. I love eating these. I've not made this recipe from Mr. Rick, but I've made some, probably a recipe just like this. But anyway, so you're gonna need an egg white. So I pulled out eggs earlier. Mary Ann was helping me, and she decided that the egg needed to be squished. So she took the whole entire egg and just did like that to it and squished it. So I'm gonna get her cleaned up, get everything cleaned up, and then get back to doing this. So you need an egg white, a tablespoon of vanilla extract. It calls for 4 cups of pecan halves or a pound of pecans. So I got a pound of almonds because, again, I like almonds. A cup of granulated sugar, which is white sugar. A teaspoon of sea salt or a half a teaspoon of table salt. And 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So what you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 250. And in a small bowl, here's my small bowl, I'm going to combine the sugar, sea salt, and cinnamon, and then I'm going to put that aside. So let's do that. So I got my sugar, and I need a cup of sugar. But these are, I love getting these when we go to the Sight and Sound Theater, or I think they have them at like Silver Dollar City as well. It seems like I've gotten some there at Christmas time, maybe. I don't know. So I've got my sugar. I'm going to use regular table salt. So I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of that. You'll have to, Mary Ann's over here trying to do stuff. I don't even know what she's doing. Just making noises. I'm regular sugar. I need 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and I think this is a new thing of cinnamon because I made cinnamon rolls this weekend. Yep. Ran out of cinnamon. Uh-oh. And then, so that's my sugar, sea salt, and cinnamon. And then I'm going to set it aside. And then in another bowl, it says in a large bowl, I think all the nuts can fit in here. So in a large bowl, whip the egg white and vanilla with a whisk. So I'm going to have to get a whisk because I didn't read down far enough in the instructions. I need a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So let me grab a whisk really quick. Okay. So this is one of my favorite whisks right here. I love this little thing. So it says whisk that up. It doesn't say till frothy. That's frothy, right? For about 1 minute. Okay. It says with a whisk or an electric mixer, can't talk. With a whisk or an electric mixer until frothy, about a minute. So that's not quite a minute, but whatever. Okay, so it says add pecans, or in our case, or in my case, almonds, 2 cups at a time. So we're just going to dump about half of this bag in here because it's a brand new bag. Oh, why they make these things so hard to open up. It's just stupid. But anyway. Alright, so we're going to do about half of the bag at a time. We'll call that about half. And then stir that up until it gets coated. Minus an almond because it fell on the floor. Clean that up in a minute. Okay. And then the other half goes in there, and then we'll stir that. Okay, and then start to coat. Once coated, sprinkle on the dry ingredients over the pecans or almonds and stir until evenly distributed. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that this, I probably need to stir that up instead of just, yeah, that's good. Okay, so all of those they all look wet. So I'm gonna set that over here for just a second. I'm gonna get a spoon to stir this up. So get this all mixed in. And then it just says to sprinkle. Okay, stir. Yeah, it just says sprinkle the dry ingredients over the pecans and stir. So we're gonna sprinkle and stir until they're all, until I've used all of this. That's kind of hard to do. One left-handed, one, that is really hard to do. Okay, so that's not gonna happen. So I'm gonna do this easier. And you're just wanting to coat the pecans and oh, these are gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Love the way they smell. And Mr. Rick sings in our choir. I think he's I want to say he's a bass, but I don't know if that's true. Maybe he's a tenor. Nah, I don't think he's a tenor. I think he's a bass. I don't know, but I'm not sure. But, okay. So, I'll have to ask him and see if he's a bass or he's a tenor. Maybe I can look it up. Anyway. Okay, so those are all nice and coated. And then, ooh, I'm so excited. I have to get on YouTube or something and watch the Jesus production and get that while I'm eating these, because that would just be fun. Okay, so it says, so once this is done, spread the pecans or almonds directly and evenly onto a large baking sheet. Is that good? Marianne's got her little fingers in there. She's doing, y'all. Is that good? Is that good? You was doing a dance. Oh, that does have raw egg in it. She probably shouldn't eat that. You shouldn't eat that. We're eating these, so it doesn't matter that I just did that. Okay, anyway, so back to what I'm doing. So I'm going to spread these on here evenly. I forgot that it had raw egg in it. Oh, well, I've eaten raw egg before. It's not going to kill her. Hey, no. Yeah, you going to help? Okay, so it says to cook these for an hour, but you're supposed to stir them up every 15 minutes. And then you can, hey, no. Then you can, this will keep the pecans from, okay, so you stir it every 15 minutes. It keeps the pecans from sticking to the baking sheet and allows the nuts to bake evenly. And you remove from the oven, and you can eat them warm, which is the way I like them, or you can eat them, you know, cold, which is also the way I like them. So I'm going to put these, I think that's pretty even. I don't know. It's kind of hard to do that. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven, and every 15 minutes we're going to stir them up, and I'll see you back in your time about 2 seconds, my time about an hour. Hey guys, so it's been an hour. The what are these? They're almonds are cooked, and my house smells like Christmas. It is amazing. So let me show you what these look like, because it's so good. So these are what you get, and they are crispy, and they are hard, and they are delicious. So good. You can make these up any time. Keep them in a sealed container, and just eat them whenever you want them. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Sunday Potluck, and forgive my kids in the background for being crazy, because, you know, it's a crazy house. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.